Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laifa. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be transforming from this to this. So in today's video, I already have my makeup done, and yes, I have a tutorial for this makeup look. I'm going to link that up here or in my description box below. I've already done my bald cap. So yeah, the wig I'm going to be using today is from WIGENCOUNTERS. So you guys know, if you don't know, I love curly hair. Like, curly hair is my best texture of hair, and I always go long. So for today, I wanted to do a short curly hair. So I've already gone ahead to prep the hair. So this is the bad boy right here. Ooh, hello, giving me scalp, honey, scalp. Excuse you. We're not playing today. I'm going for a wedding, so you know that I took my time because I want to slay very hard today, you know. So I've already gone ahead to pluck the hair, bleach the knots, and pluck the hair. So I just have it on my mannequin head. Look at this lusciousness. Oosh. So I'm just going ahead to put my foundation shade on the lace, like so. Guys, I look so pretty today. Yes or yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this baby on. For glue, I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Active Glue. I'm just going to use one layer of this. I'm going to take my hair dryer now and dry it clear. So now I'm going to melt the hair in. So my sister is assisting me. Alright, so now I'm going to take my, what's it called? What is stick? It is wax stick.
It's not stick.
What is stick? You can't just say stick.
What stick? Stick.
I'm gonna see how pretty you look.
Hey guys.
She looks so pretty, doesn't she? Like, Anita slid her makeup to perfection.
Period.
People should tell Lifestyle of Annie to take her YouTube channel seriously, because me, I don't know what's going on with her. The side buns are the hardest to get to stick down, so I'm going to give it one more layer of Bold Hold. So while that is drying, I'm going to take my hot comb. This hot comb gets really hot, and I bought it here in Nigeria, and I actually have a discount code for you guys if you want to buy it. I'm going to leave the link in my description box below. They are daddies. Can we get into this melt, please? They are actual daddies. Alright, so now I'm going to have my sister use this elastic band to tie my hair down. Thank you.
Okay.
It needs to be very, very tight so that it can melt very well. While it's laying down, I'm just going to pour water on it and put the Lotta body lotion. I'm going to go into the Lotta body lotion and rub it all over. So this is going to help to define the curls, so my curls can be popping. Jesus, just blown my brain. I'm going to go into powder. Take my shade of powder on an angled brush and use it to define the pattern. Or if you're doing it, you can actually do this method, but I find it hard to do that on myself. It's easier to do that on someone else. You can just put foundation or concealer on this tail comb and just do that. That's easier and faster. So now I'm taking off the elastic band. Do you know, there's this thing that frontal just does to me. I can't explain it. Do you see that? Do you see how bomb that looks, guys? Alright, let's start. I'm going to start by cutting. And I'm going to take my razor comb. There are some places that the foundation didn't touch properly, so I'll just lightly use my brush to buff that in so it melts into my skin. I want to create some baby hairs. So I'm going to tie it down one last time. Alright, so now I'm going to take off the elastic band. Oof. Yes. Alright, so now we're going to do the baby hairs. You guys see that installing the frontal is no joke. So please respect people that do this. It's quite a process. So I'm just gonna take my what's it called? Got to be spray. Spray it on my toothbrush, or I have a mascara one that I used to do this. It's just easier for me. So just use this to flick the baby hairs. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm so obsessed with how this hair came out. Like, melted, honey. Melted. If there was a word for melted, honey, this is it right here. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Like I said, the hair is from WIGENCOUNTERS. I'm going to leave all the details in my description box below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. I love you guys so much. Please drop a comment in the comment section below. Like this video, please subscribe. Let's get into 200k just in time for my birthday to be an amazing birthday gift to me. So your birthday gift to me, please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.